Here is a 1-minute introduction to gate pose. From your knees, you're going to take one leg long out to the side. And you're going to press into those toes. You're going to try to keep a nice even torso here. Place your right arm on that extended right leg. Lift the left arm up and take a side body stretch. You'll feel some sensation somewhere along the left side of your body and maybe something on the inner or outer right leg. Rise back up. Place that right knee down and take the left leg out. Press into those toes. You might experiment with the foot position. Left arm on that long left leg. Right arm reaches up and over. Notice the difference between side 1 and side 2. Rise back up, lower the knee down.